My name is Ryan LeBlanc, and I primarily practice in the Workers' Compensation Department at the Joye Law Firm. Working in the Workers' Compensation Department, I am representing injured workers, and what I do is just try to help their claim out. So whether that involves making sure that they get the proper medical treatment, as well as making sure that if they are in fact out of work, that they're getting properly compensated. There are so many other factors, but those are primarily what I'm doing as a workers' compensation attorney. Primarily, I'm spending time with my wife and my 2 daughters, but when I'm not doing that, I like to go golfing, I like going kayaking, and if I can, try to play soccer. If my old legs don't fail me, then I'd like to do stuff like that. I'm married to an incredible wife named Emily LeBlanc. We have 2 beautiful daughters. One is 3, her name is Allie, and another is 7 weeks old, and her name is Colette. Everybody says, oh, you're gonna be enjoying fatherhood or being a dad. Kind of nod your head when you don't have a kid and you're like, sure, I'll love it. But when you really become a dad and that kid's in your arms, I mean, it's a whole different story. And I think truly one of the favorite parts of my day is when I walk through the front door and Allie just comes running and just wants to give me a hug. And that's just, it's 5 seconds, but it's the best 5 seconds of the day. For the longest time, ever since I can really remember, I've always wanted to be an attorney. Just something about the ability to help others and the ability to kind of argue legal points. I've just always been intrigued by being an attorney, and so, I don't know, it's what I love to do, it's my passion, it's what I want to continue doing for the rest of my life. I would say I'm very invested in the cases that I take on. I'd like to say sometimes maybe too invested. As my wife says, sometimes you take your work home with you, which I really don't look at it as a job so much as it's just something that I just enjoy doing. And I think that's probably why I take it home. That's why I'm as vested as I am in these cases. But I love it, and quite frankly, my clients deserve it. There's a lot of lawyers out there, but if someone is going to choose us, trust us to take care of their case at one of the worst times of their lives, the least that we can do is to be invested in their case.